Hello, my people. How na dey? Also na dey fine. I hear say this our brother, he don't come to Europe. They say they Italy. Okay. So I dey see some video, they fly up and down. Everybody they talk different things. Some people say if na them be the mother of Sharon, they go pour hot water for a body. Some say they go beat her. Some say they not let her reach enter inside house. Some say like titi like we go take see pikin. Many things. I just dey laugh. Make I tell una my people. Now no say na Western world we dey. Na abroad we dey. Now who no know, if you no know the law wey hold you for abroad, now you go dey talk all those things or they do all those things. Now abroad we dey. As far as say this man, his children carry his surname, na him be the father. Because the time wey be say Sharon, late Sharon get belle, we no know wetin be the thing wey be say him with this boy discuss or dem do. You understand? As a father, you know, say they need your document to sign all those things. He don't do all those things. Late Sharon don't submit everything to the authority. You understand? We don't even know whether the time we get the second belle na their plan say after then he go come back. I don't know why this thing they enter my eye. When I know this in the light. So we don't know wetin they discuss about. As far as say this boy now, he don't enter abroad. Me, I so much believe say he enter, he don't already take lawyer, don't already put everything down. You understand? Say in they come because of his children. You see some of una when they be say una they give advice to people say, yes, Sharon, to America, to Figbonya, do this one. But una no go fit do one to una even baby papa. Wama say ti we. Not be everybody no know the law way hold am o. Now Nigeria and therefore they do all those things. Not be here. According to one post where I see, according to the post, and then say then tell this boy may go do something. Whether may go marry late Sharon before he go start to see children. That one in Nigeria now for they do all those things, yama things so. Not be abroad for you. I know say most of una go come for this video now. Come they cry. Una know say me I not get on that time. Now where you dey? Now you're supposed to know the kind of law where hold you. If you there for that Nigeria, they do that kind of one. Once you there here, we are talking about those children. It not concern the law where hold these children for here, concern the papa, concern the mama. Okay, I understand. They go look, waiting concern the authority where they here. Now those children. It not concern them saying you want go marry person where don't buy or person where still their life or it not concern them. I so much believe say as he come, he don't already do all those things down. And nobody go fit tell me not see children. Take it or leave it. Know your way, not because. Okay? Know your way. They marry, they not marry, they be convivent, they be boyfriend and girlfriend. Once now you be the papa of that children. No woman fit tell you say may you not see your pikin. Now when you not know your rights, now woman go tell you say you not go see pikin. And you now you go come say you not go really see your pikin because why? You want run for many things. You don't want to take your responsibility. Now abroad with they never born that woman. Where go tell you say you not fit see your children. For those of una where just they talk para piri and now they talk about he will never see her. If na me lala titi lala, come sister, you they do one to pepper the man. You don't know I say you still they hurt your children. Also, you are still hurting those children. Also, children, their mama don't buy. Papa still their life. He come out, one can't do papa. Leave them to do one. That is the law of where we dey. They marry, they not marry. He not consign them. Do you understand? He not consign them. You see those children, the mama, the grandmama, he have 50% of those children responsibility. Why the papa go get the other 50? Mona go ask where. Go and ask where. You see all those people where just they shout about that video. Una not get anything. You una not even relate to them. Una see people where relate to these children. Now the grandmama and this papa, they relate to them. And Sharon brother, they relate to those children. Not be una where they talk. Are they talkative? Not be una. Una go talk una finish, una go enter house because una no know the article where evil all una. Una no know. So may the soul of Sharon rest in perfect peace. May all these things for come up for grant. Nobody go fit tell this boy make him not see children. If he know he right, now abroad the day, he go carry lawyer. They go call the mother. You understand? Nobody say they'll carry those children, give her. No, they not go give her. Because why you know they stay here? Just to give her that right so they see children. So they do things of a father. Mona go maka. Now no say now so it go take end. Now so it go take end. 50% go there for a mama, a grandmother. Why the other 50 go to the papa? At any time when it take come, because not be abroad they stay, or till when it go come they stay here. He get the full rights. Do you understand? He get the full rights. Like say the man saying abroad for year 9 day, as late Sharon by. Now those children they will give out to the father. They go ask and say, you go fit? Because they don't say grandmama did there. The grandmama may be third, so I don't know as they say they talk. That is the third person to enter inside children's life. Mona go ask. The first person to enter children's life is mama and the papa to enter their children's life. Then the third one be the grandmother to enter the life of the grandchildren. Nobody go even tell grandmama may not come to see grandchildren. Now the law, my people. You see all those one where our people just they carry for heads, and the other girl where they call where say him be a friend of late Sharon. My sister, face your life. What they call her? Miss Gold, face your life. You not be anybody to them. They tell you the truth. You are nobody to those children. You are nobody to them. Now the mama just tell you, say, help me, finish. You see when this man go come in now, he get right to tell you, say, step out. And they tell now the truth, step out. Because why? You not relate to them. You not be the mama anything. You not be the boy anything. We are talking about underage children. They respect, they guide them well for abroad, though. Not be Nigeria, when they say, nyaga, this one thing. The law where they for abroad, then they guide them well. Unless say if this man be say na person where be say he head not correct or all those things, then they go come out time for a children life. If not, they know they come out time for a children life. Yes, they know they come out time. So all those one wanna just they shout. Iye Sharon wa take bogo your home. Wa here merenya. Una we una not want on a baby papa. Una say me Mama Sharon come dey do. Mama Sharon no, so you know the law way still dey here. Say na papa 100% na him born those children. If maybe they that time, they'll say make them go do DNA. Now tell like abroad. If maybe they come that and say not be children, it job bapu son. That son, I don't know as they take the respect and for abroad. You respect as far as say now your son, the man already don't submit. Let Sharon don't submit document. Say, see this man, I be the father of my children. They respect that submit as the man sign. The document already deal with the time we born. Or let's say he not put his son name. He never told say now he born those children. Now maybe they feel come out for roads. And if he still win. Saying the might to do DNA. Yes, so. So for me, me Mama Sharon just forget all those nyama na so it not come the time we born. We not dead there when you get belle. Maybe now this one be their plan. Person we don't by know if you can't talk again. Wait till they plan that time. Now everything person go they talk. Miss God, may you face your life. You say Sharon and now your friend. We never see you and Sharon with picture. We never see anything doing with you. Why not just face your life, my dear sister? Easy way that they say na bad now. Now easy with they see that time all the time with her. If na bad person for wrong come out. Person when me go talk say na be Sharon friend. Na be easy. You see Miss God, me I not see as a friend to her. Because that one never even presents you to the social media. Say, see, my friend, he always talk about easy. Good or bad. They were there. Easy was there for her. So, make una when they talk, make una close una mouth. Papa don't come, he don't come. Una say no fit see am, na lie una talk. Na law na dey talk. No be una.